Alright, so this video covers the first page of the test review on vectors. So let's look at number 1. We have vector A, which is -8, -5. Vector G is -7, -2. And we're asked to find A minus G. So we take the very first vector, which is -8, -5, minus the second vector. And what we'll do is we will distribute the negative here into the second vector. So that's the negative of -7 becomes 7, and the negative of -2 becomes +2, and now we have a plus sign in between. Now we'll just add the common coordinates, which is the first coordinates, -8 plus 7 gives us -1, and -5 plus 2 gives us -3, and that is your answer. Alright, number 2, we have vector F written in a linear combination form, -12i plus j, and vector V is 11i plus 3j, and we're asked to find -f minus v. So we take the negative and put it in front of vector F, and minus, and then we have vector V here. Well, the negative in front of vector F changes the sign, so that becomes +12i minus j, and then the negative in the middle changes the sign of vector V, so that becomes -11i minus 3j, and then combine the like terms. The two I terms are 12 and -11, and that's going to be +1i. The j terms are -1 and -3. Combined would give us a negative or minus 4j. So I minus 4j is your answer. Number 3. So we have vector F is in component form is 30, -40. We want to find the vector that is opposite F, and all we do is change the signs. So the final answer would be -30, +40. Number 4, vector F is 6i minus 8j. We want to find a vector that's opposite F, so we just change the signs and it becomes -6i plus 8j, and that's your answer. Alright, for number 5, we have vector U is -5, 12, and we're asked to find the -3 times U. So we simply multiply -3 times the coordinates, or times the components. So -3 times -5 is +15, and -3 times 12 is -36. So this is our answer. Number 6, we're asked to find -10a. So all we do is we take the vector A and multiply everything by -10. So -10 times -11i is +100i, or +110i, and -10 times the -6j is +60j. So your answer is 110i plus 60j. And for number 7, alright, we have vector U and vector V. We're asked to find -10 times U plus 5 times V. So you take vector U, which is -3i minus 11j, multiply that by -10. So that gives us -10 times -3 is +30i. -10 times -11j is +110j. Then we do 5 times v. So we take 5 times vector v, which is 5 times 11i, gives us 55i, and 5 times -3j gives us -15j. Then we'll combine like terms. That would be 30i plus the 55i gives us the 85i. The j terms are 110j and -15j. Combining those two, you get +95j. So your answer is 85i plus 95j. Alright, here we're asked to find 2 times vector F plus 8 times vector G. So we take vector f, which is 10, 7, multiply that by 2, and that results in 20, 14. Then we take vector g, which is -4, -7, multiply that by 8, and that results in -32, -56. And then we'll add them together. So that's 20 plus the -32 gives us -12. 14 plus the -56 gives us -42. So the vector is -12, -42.